1949 to February 1954, the Filmfare Awards were established with the purpose to promote the progress and development of the motion picture industry by providing tangible encouragement and incentive to the principal talents by which it exists and is sustained. On the 21st of March 1954, the first award ceremony was held with just 5 categories.
And I consider myself very lucky that I was one to receive the first award. And I look forward to the pleasure of coming here. हमें मौका दीजिएगा अगर दूसरा अवार्ड अमिताभ साहब को दिया जाए तो मैं बड़ी खुशी से आऊँगा चाहे कितनी दूर से आना पड़े.
The nominations for the popular award categories started in 1956 along with the jury system. In this way, the awards were reflective both of popular choice as well as strict scrutiny.
लेकिन फिल्म फेयर की बात कुछ और है. फिल्म फेयर सिर्फ अवार्ड नहीं है. फिल्म फेयर हमारी यादों का साथी है, हमारे बचपन का दोस्त है. फिल्म फेयर की ट्रॉफी हम देखते हैं तो न जाने कितनी यादें उसके साथ लिपटी हुई हैं. सब कुछ मिल जाता है. ट्रेडिशन, रवायत, परंपरा, हिस्ट्री तो नहीं खरीदी जा सकती दुकान से. वो फिल्म फेयर के पास है.
फिल्म फेयर ओरिजिनल अवार्ड है. Most important, most distinguished, and the best one.
In 1989, Filmfare chose to adopt the Oscar method and started the envelope system. The winners were announced at the ceremony itself.
This wonderful award has been a source of inspiration to all of us. Whether we like it or not, whether we believe in it or not, somewhere in the back of our minds, there's always a desire and an intention that at the end of the year, we hope that our work will get recognized by the Filmfare Award. We've been critical of it, we've been cynical about it, we've been happy about it, we've been sad about it, we've been frustrated about it, but we've always thought about it and have always desired it.